Recurring bills. Learn how to set up and manage recurring bills in Zoho Books for regular expenses like rent, utilities, subscriptions or service contracts. This tutorial explains how to schedule bills, set recurrence, frequency, and ensure accurate accounts payable without manual entry. Automating recurring bills saves time, improves financial accuracy, and keeps your vendor payment on track. When we can use recurring bills? We can use recurring bills when bill amount is fixed at each period. Bill occurs at regular intervals such as daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. You pay the same vendor or service provider repeatedly. And contracts continues long term. You want to automate your bills creation and you want to ensure timely recording of periodic expenses. Let's create a recurring bill. Select purchases module and select recurring bills. By clicking this new button or by clicking plus mark, you can create a new recurring bill. And when you go to the recurring bills, you can view the life cycle of a recurring bill at routing purchase, create recurring profile, generated bill, and record payment. Right. You will create a recurring bill. First, you need to select the vendor and you need to set a profile name. Assume we are setting a recurring bill for rent. I'll enter rent for this, and you can select repeat every that frequency. I'll select month, and you need to set a start date. Let's select 26, and when you are setting a start date, please try to set it from a future date. And you can select ends on or never expires. Now, if you have signed any agreement with this vendor, assume you have entered agreement for 1 year, so you can set a ends on date. Now you have entered 1 year contract, so you know what is the end date, therefore you can enter the ends on date. Now if you don't know when your agreement is end, you can select this never expires. If you select never expires, that repeat bill will continue forever till you stop it. So if you select ends on date, system will automatically stop at this date. So that's the difference between ends on and never expires. After that, you can select your item and create, or without entering also, without creating item, you can set up a recurring invoice. I select rent expenses and enter the amount 10,000. So like that, I can create a recurring bill. After that, I can save. So now when you go to this bill, you can view that overview of this bill. Bill amount is 10,000. Next bill date is 26 October. Recurring period monthly, and end date never expires. Payment terms we want receipt, and you can view the next bill and recent activities. Like that, you can view the overview of the rate or this recurring bill. And if you want to later change this or edit this bill by clicking this edit button, you can edit your recurring bill. Right, like that, you can set up your recurring bills. And from the more button, you can stop this bill or delete the bill. Now, if you want to stop, you can click this stop. Then it will stop the creating bills from the system. So like that, you can create your recurring bills.